Hopefully the quality on this is actually working now. We are seeing quite a bit. We are 8 minutes away from the market open. It is 8:22 in Central Time. Market opens at 8:30 here. Well, because it's 9:30 over there. Obviously. BBIG 303 in the pre-market. It is up 0.66%. GameStop is 116.60 in the pre-market currently. Is it? Oh wow. It went above. It's gone above the trend line that we were looking for. We were trying to stay above 105. GME. Wow. Here we go. Yeah, 116. 1690. 16. Is this not receiving live quotes? What's going on? SPY 455 in the pre-market and AMC 1664.65. Wow. Let me make sure that we're getting live data, because this is not. Yes, I should have probably made sure of that before. I know. It's just weird. That is. One would think it's supposed to be. Let's see what the rest of the market is saying and doing around the world. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq are all in a slightly upward trend right now. Doesn't mean we won't get a drop anytime soon. Who knows? I mean, this market has been going up and down like crazy. Volatility, though, has been starting to somewhat come down a little bit. Let me send that in a second. Let's see. Here we go. Paste. All right. Signal seems to be good still. and hopefully you can hear me. I've had issues with these mics and with everything here. Let's go back here. The SPY still at around 455 in the pre-market, up about 0.94%. AMC still up 1.28% at 1664. Hopefully continues to make higher highs and higher lows. And if it continues to do that, then hopefully it can break out over the 18th range. That would take it to possibly be able to jump to the $20 range. At that point, it might be able to sustain that $20 range, and we'll be able to go up from there. At least that's the hope. Oh, nice. Thank you. Perfect. Let's see here. Oh, no. We have 2 minutes before the market opens. And then I'll have to cut off about 10 minutes into the market. Just my connection is excellent. That's quite surprising. So the issues I've had. Nice. Alright, we have market open. And the S&P is... Wow. AMC just went. It's a little green, so that's good. BBIG, a little bit red, not too bad. AMC, I'm sorry, GameStop though, GME. GME was up in the 115 range, 116, 115 range before the market opened, and now has just dropped a couple dollars. Not exactly the best sign, but you never know. Might just be a moment of small dip and then rocket. The overall market seems to be up quite considerably. Let me see if I can find here FB. See what's going on with meta platforms. Meta. Meta is 223.75. Okay, it's jumped up about 1 point, almost nearly 2% from yesterday's low. So, well, not from yesterday's low, but from yesterday's close. Yesterday's low was about 216. Let's see, 216.60. Ouch. It's crazy to think that it was around the 300s, 350s just a week or two ago. Then it fell real hard. AMC seems to be taking a push, and GameStop too. 117. 117.53. We're going up. Very nice. AMC also seems to be having a bit of a push. The overall market seems to be somewhat pushing, but mostly flat. Very, very nice. That 118 mark. Wow. Hopefully this leads AMC to be able, step by step obviously, be able to get to its $18 range and hopefully sustain around there within the volume. I had a quick peak of 225.07. It's gone down from there. The rest of 2000 might be moving up as well, so that would be helping a lot. Well, not necessarily, really, but it would probably be helping. Oh, wow. GME at 120. Very nice. We're up about, what is that, $6? $6 from the open. Okay, maybe not. Around there. And then S&P 500 of SPY is really hasn't done much. It's considerably flat. It is up of, I don't know, 30, 40 cents from the open, but it's not much of a difference. AMC is now at 1709, 1712, around there. Very nice to see. Very nice to see. That rally right there. Hopefully it builds up over the course of the day. Who knows? Sometimes what we see is these rallies up in the morning, the first 10, 20 minutes of the day. These rallies, and then the rest of the day it's flat, and then towards the end somewhat down. But hopefully that's not what happens in this case. You never know. The market is unpredictable, so we just try our best. S&P 500 is now just around, never mind, I was gonna say 20 cents, but not even that. Maybe, yeah, 20-ish cents. GME sustaining 119.93. Felt a little bit of resistance right there around the 120. So that seems to be a strong level of resistance. 120, 40, 50-ish area. Oh, might actually be fighting it quite a bit. Might be wrong. And then AMC is also feeling a little bit of resistance right there around the 1750, 1730 area. Let's go back and see BBIG. What is going on? Vinco Ventures. What is going on? Oh, nice. Opened at 303. It is now trading at about 310, 311. Oh, yeah. Nice. How nice. Isn't that a beaut? Let's see what the rest of the markets are doing. They're starting off small. Nice. Okay, we're up about 1% on the SPY. Sorry, not SPY. The S&P 500 ETF. 1% so far from the open. The Nasdaq as well. 1.2%. Seems to be an overall green day for the most part. And, well, never mind. Here's the top losers, but here's the top gainers. Sundial is actually going up quite a bit. That's good. It's a good buy at the bottom. But I don't know if it'll sustain much for very long. Keep hearing different things about Sundial, so who knows what's really going to happen. Let's take a look here. Oh. 17 on AMC, about 17.10, 17.11. GME 120, 120.50, 120.97. It's major jumps between 30 to 40 cents range, and then we just saw that. SPY is still not much higher than from the open. I mean, then again, it doesn't really go much higher from the open on a day-to-day basis, but you're still trading somewhat flat from the open. From yesterday, no, it is up quite a bit. And yeah, the UVXY has taken that understanding and gone down. Shiba Inu is right now is trying to sustain this upward trend around over here. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like it's more of a upward trend this way, but really no one knows. I mean, we can draw lines on a graph, but no one really knows how long it'll sustain that, and if it will break down to the downside over here, or if it'll. That's so weird, they just turned off. I'm always having issues with technology nowadays. Market Watch, let's see what's here. Not always the best source, but sometimes you'll find some interesting things. Let's see. Load over here. This fund sold out of Facebook's parent and PayPal before their earnings disasters. Here's what it bought instead. Okay. Nope. Pfizer expects a record 100 billion in revenue this year, thanks to COVID vaccines and treatments. Wow. Drug maker has emerged as the world's go-to pharmaceutical partner in the COVID-19 pandemic. Expects to bring in more than $50 billion in revenue this year from its COVID-19 vaccine. and or medication, further cementing the company's role as the world's go-to pharmaceutical partner in the pandemic. Wow. Now, is there more downside to that? We'll see what happens with that and what really. Hmm. Let's see Pfizer right here. PFV, right? Here we go. Pfizer. Ooh, not exactly the best start of the day, but pretty alright. $51.32. It was at 51.70. Has it had a drop? Is this pre-market? Seems like it was. Or might have been right at the open. So not bad. But still like nothing amazing. It ain't looking good. We have a gap for. Ooh, yeah, that's a big gap. Going back to AMC, still trading around 1730s. SPY is now. Oh, now we're moving up a little bit. That's good. 456. A couple cents. And then GME is now still trying to stay around that range, that 120, 119 range. Hopefully it can continue to sustain there and with enough volume climb above it. We'll see what happens. But it's a quick market open live stream, so I will be disconnecting. Please check out the links in the description below. Be able to trade on crypto, be able to trade stocks, invest your money in the best ways that you can. Keep learning about stocks and the way that they'll work. Be careful with the stock market right now, and then everything that's so unpredictable at the moment. And wish you the best of the days.